Welcome to the session on asset securitization. In this session, we will learn about meaning of securitization, need for securitization, process of asset securitization, advantages of securitization. Let us see the meaning first. The term securitization denotes converting illiquid assets into liquid assets. You should understand the balance sheet of the banking company. The balance sheet of the banking company is different from other company. Banking means accepting deposits which are payable on demand or otherwise, and lending loans and advances to the people for their private investment. Bank receives interest on loans advanced and pays interest on all the accounts except current account. The banks borrow money at a lesser cost and lends loan at a higher cost. It charges less interest on deposits and collects higher interest on loans advanced. The deposits received are liabilities as the bank has to pay them back, and loans here are assets for the banks. Therefore, one can say that securitization deals with asset side of the balance sheet. The loans are of different types such as short term, medium term and long term loans. If you look at the asset side of the balance sheet, an important component is loan. For example, lease finance, personal finance, housing loan and vehicle loans. Usually, if you look at the maturity of the loans, housing finance and lease finance are the long term in nature, ranging from 10 years to 20 years. These loans remain illiquid for very long term. Liquid assets are those assets which can be converted into cash easily. But in case of these term loans, a bank has to wait for 10 or 20 years and so on. How does it affect the banks? The banks may not be in a position to pay the customers on demand. There arises a problem of debt equity ratio. This will pull down capital to weighted asset ratio, and finally, this will lead to bankruptcy. The solution is the asset securitization. Under this, bank will sell loan to the trust, a special purpose vehicle. Once the loan is sold, it is removed from the balance sheet. This act of removing assets from the balance sheet is known as asset securitization. The special purpose vehicle, known as bankruptcy remote entity, will have to pay the bulk amount to the banks, known as originator. For meeting the payment, the special purpose vehicle will divide the loan into small amount of debt securities and will issue these debt securities which are backed by assets or mortgages. The investors will buy securities, and now special purpose vehicle has enough money. The special purpose vehicle pays the bank. Banks now have enough liquid cash, and that can be used for meeting the customer's demand and credit creation, which is the core function of commercial banks. And now you will learn the process of asset securitization. First, the bank sells illiquid assets to the special purpose vehicle, and these assets are removed from the balance sheet. And in the second process, special purpose vehicle issues debt securities to investors. The maturity of these securities are synced with the maturity of the loans. In the third process, investors buy these securities and monies are received by special purpose vehicle. Finally, the special purpose vehicle makes payment to the bank. What are the advantages of asset securitization? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. Banks need not wait for longer period till maturity, and this will increase the scope of banking business, and this will result in an increase in capital to asset ratio, meeting the capital adequacy ratio. The role of the banks are reduced to that of collecting agent, as it collects the monthly payments and gives it to special purpose vehicle. For the investors, it is a safe investment avenue because your investment is backed by assets. If there is a default from obligators, then the special purpose vehicle will sell those assets and amount will be paid to the investors. And finally, it will protect the banks from the risk of bankruptcy. I hope you all understood the concept of asset securitization. I shall meet you with other topics on banking. Thank you.